10 lines essay on park in English. 122 words. We see greenery everywhere in the park. There are different types of trees and plants. The park has a variety of swings for children to play. Swings यानी कि झूले और variety कई किस्म की. Beautiful flowers are seen in the park whose fragrance captivates everyone. Fragrance खुशबू. Beautiful सुंदर. Flowers फूल. People come with their family and friends to spend time in the park. Spend time वक्त बिताने के लिए. Old people come to the park for jogging or exercising. Everyone loves the beautiful view of the park. So there is a crowd of people here. Crowd means हजूम, बहुत ज़्यादा लोग. Along with the public park, some people also park outside their house. In some parks, fountains, monuments are built there to enhance the beauty of the park. पार्क की खूबसूरती को बढ़ाने के लिए फाउंटेन्स यानी कि फवारा और whether children or old, everyone likes to go to the park. Nature lovers love spending time in the park. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.